Welcome to Spot AI for car washes. This short video series is designed to help car wash team members and operators get the most out of their Spot AI systems. In Spot AI for Car Washes 101, we'll explore how to resolve damage claims faster and more easily with Spot AI. We'll review how to quickly search for footage of an incident or a specific vehicle, save that footage to a case, add important context to the footage within the case, and share that footage internally and externally. In this scenario, let's say that the owner of a red pickup is claiming that we put a deep scratch into their rear cab window. We don't believe that's the case, but we need to prove it. We'll start by going to the Search tab and then selecting a camera that has a good view of the damaged area of the vehicle prior to it entering the wash. We'll then select the date and time that the vehicle came through the wash. And Spot AI will go ahead and pull up all the footage from that period organized into 5-minute segments. Now we've got a couple options on how we find the vehicle from here. The first is to simply scrub through the footage by just hovering over these thumbnails, and we can see the different vehicles passing through. Another option is to use the AI filters to narrow the search. So we can check vehicles and pull up only clips where there are vehicles present so that we're not wasting time when there's no vehicles around. Or if we have a Spot AI 4th generation or beyond IVR, we can use the vehicle attribute search filters to search by vehicles by color, by vehicle type, or by vehicle make. In this case, we have a pretty good sense that our vehicle came through sometime around 9:30 to 9:40 a.m. So we're just going to go ahead and do the quick scrub. So we can scrub, and we're looking for a red pickup. And bingo, there it is. So we'll go ahead and we'll just click on that thumbnail, and Spot AI will pull up the footage for us. Yep, and there we can see that the scratch is clearly already in the rear window prior to the vehicle entering the wash. So now that we've got the video proof, we need to go ahead and save that so that we can have it for our records and share it as needed with the customer. So I'm gonna go ahead and hover over the player and click this forward button in the top right corner, and then just click Save to Case. A case is a really easy way of organizing and storing video clips, commentary, and documentation related to an incident. We'll create a new case, and we'll call it Damage Claim Red Pickup. We can add a description if we want to add more context. We can use free-form tags to help organize all of our different cases. We can add collaborators from our organization to loop other people in on the incident. We can set an incident date, and then we can go ahead and save the clip to the case. Now we have two options here. We can either check this box to view the case immediately after saving, or leave it unchecked if we want to go back and add more clips to that same case. Now that we're in the case, we can see all the clips that we've added laid out here on the right. We can add more clips if we like. And then we can go ahead and we can add some context using the annotations and comments features. So comments will simply leave a comment underneath the video. So we can add some context here saying that the footage from the entry camera shows that the window was scratched before it entered the wash. And then we can actually use annotations directly mark on the video, call attention to things that are happening. So here we could say, scratch clearly visible prior to entering the wash. And then we just go ahead and hit save. And what that's going to do is it's going to add this annotation down here to where I can have anybody come back to that exact time and place where I'm calling out the specific thing that I want them to see. On the left, we can go ahead and we can still edit the case title, description, incident date, add tags if we desire. If we have a incident form or some sort of claims form, we can add external links or files. And then we can add collaborators from within the organization. So that would be other folks on your team who can help add clips to the case, who can help add commentary as well. We can also share the footage externally to others outside the organization. We've got two ways to do that. We can either send an authenticated share to a specific email address, or we can copy a link that anyone who has the link can view the case. All right, so to recap, we've seen how to easily search for footage of an incident, how to save it to a case, add context, and then share it out. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you're looking for more tutorials on Spot AI features and functionality, you can find them at any time in the tutorials section under help. And if you'd like more industry-specific insights into how car washes are streamlining their operations with video intelligence, please check out the Spot AI for Car Washes series as we continue to add more insights there. Thanks so much for watching.